Hey guys, I know it's been a while, but I just got an order in today and I thought let's do a little unboxing. It'll be really quick, but we're gonna do that. So what I have here is the TWSBI Eco. It's a pen that I actually missed out on and I wanted to give it a shot. So yeah, we're just gonna unbox it. Kind of like the cardboard sleeve. There's a sticker here. Yeah, I already ripped the sticker off before I decided to do this, so yeah, kind of like that. Pretty straightforward. So that's actually kind of handy if you're real new to the fountain pen world, huh? I kind of like that too. It's really nice to have the instructions in there. What that's for. Alright, so standard TWSBI fare. We've got some silicone grease. A little wrench, take it apart. And then of course the main event. Got the pen. It's lighter than I thought it would be. Size-wise though, it is right about where I expected it to be. Okay, so that's not too shabby. Then of course this one's the extra fine. I wanted the extra fine just because I could get it. Yeah, no, that's all right. So yeah, like I said, quick video. Nothing too crazy. I guess we could pop this out, see if there's anything underneath it. Nope. Yeah. Oh, that's great. Yeah, that's about all I got to show you as far as the unboxing goes. We'll try to sneak in an extra couple minutes, I think. I'll just kind of show you what else I grabbed. And we'll go from there. Shove this all back. Leave that out. I have to clean it at some point, so this is what I do with all my pens. All right, what else did I get? I got a little micro mesh pad, smooth out Jinhao nib that's gonna need some attention before I can do anything with it. And hey, since I'm thinking videos, maybe I'll do that again. Had a random ink sample in there, like literally, that's how you order them. Bernanke blue it looks like, so I've never even looked at Bernanke blue, but it's looking very blue in there. Maybe a little base statey. And then what else did I get? I grabbed some Tomoe River paper. And I'll just, yeah, 100 sheets, white, 52 grams per square meter. Yeah, gonna be real fun. So it's a fun order. I'm glad I got to unbox that TWSBI, and looks like I got a little sticker too in there, which I expected, but I wasn't sure which one I was gonna get. So nice to see that one. All right, that's all I got for you. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna do some more of these. I've been slacking on my public speaking skills lately, and oddly enough, the videos seem to help. So I'm gonna let you guys go, and we'll see you next time.